Hey, what's up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to the channel. And today I have something super interesting lined up for you. We're gonna be checking out this beautiful Mercedes that was ceramic coated by us over a year ago. But here's the kicker, we have not seen this vehicle at all since then. That's right, we didn't do any maintenance washes, no recoating, nothing. And according to the customer, the vehicle has been driven regularly and they have been taking it through automated car washes. You know, the ones, the dreaded spinning brushes that can be rough on the paintwork. But hey, ceramic coating are supposed to add a layer of protection, and this is what we're here to do today, which is to see how the ceramic coating is performing over time under these conditions. So, with enough talking, let's just jump right into it, and I hope you enjoy it. Now, the car looked pretty good from a distance, but I took a closer look to have an idea how the ceramic coating is holding up, and I saw some fine scratches from the automated car washes, but it's not terrible. Now, looking at the shine, the gloss still looks pretty great. I'm actually impressed. There's a nice reflection going on. However, what we need to look at is the real test of ceramic coating, which is water beading and hydrophobicity. But before we do that, let's have the vehicle washed. Hey guys, I forgot to tell you, if you want to check out the video of the ceramic coating process done in this vehicle about a year ago, the link is in the description down below. All right, so now let's get back to the video. Another sign that the ceramic coating is performing well during the inspection is that I noticed that there was no water spots. Only some light contamination like industrial fallout and brake dust, but nothing was really etched into the ceramic coating. So I decided that cleaning the vehicle was not necessary at all. And instead, I simply added iron remover into the foam mix, and that was it. So one of the best ways to test if the ceramic coating is still doing its job is by checking how well water beads on the surface. And if the coating is holding up, we should see tight round beads of water forming when I spray it. And that's what I'm just about to do it. Here we go, ladies and gentlemen, the moment of truth. Check this out, ladies and gentlemen. Don't forget, guys, I haven't seen this vehicle for over a year. Look at that. Nothing left on the panel. To me, pretty amazing. What do you guys think? Please leave some comments down below. I would love to know your opinion. Again, no maintenance washes with us, no recoating. This vehicle has been going to automated car washes, and this is what you get if you ceramic coat your vehicle with us. Now let's move on to the hood and see the water behavior. By the way, guys, the vehicle is sitting on an angled driveway and the front end is actually raised. Look at that. I mean, look at those tight water beads, ladies and gentlemen. And again, I would love to hear from you, so please leave your comments down below. And before I show you the final results, here's a little bonus for you. You're probably thinking, wait, isn't this guy stripping off the ceramic coating by polishing this area? And the answer is yes. But the customer asked if I could fix the area, and I said, of course, yes, I can. So I polished the area to correct the damage and reapply the coating there. We don't know what happened. The customer doesn't know what happened, but my guess is that he probably hit like a pole or like a barrier gate or like even like a shopping cart. It wasn't nothing too serious. Now, since I'm not going to be seeing this vehicle for an extended period of time again, I've decided to add this ceramic coating topper, which is one of my favorites, just to add an additional layer of protection. Here it is, ladies and gentlemen, the final results. So what do you think? Now, what is the key takeaway here? Well, a properly applied ceramic coating by certified professionals like myself is an incredible option for adding long-lasting protection and gloss to your vehicle. It's definitely a smart investment, especially when you consider the long-term benefit. And the proof can't get better than this. All right, ladies and gentlemen, this is it for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it. Now, if you plan on coating your vehicle, or if you have already coated and you want to keep it in good shape, please feel free to drop your question or thoughts in the comment box down below. Also, please don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, and the bell notification button for more future contents like this. And again, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.